How to add a signature on Gmail. Hello friends, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can add signature on Gmail. So how do you add your signature on your Gmail account? Once you're signed into your Gmail account, move to the top left corner, alright, and then click on the three horizontal lines that you can see there. Then on the home page, next step is to scroll down and click on settings. Then you'll be taken to the page where you have to choose the account you want to add a signature to. By choosing the account, you will go to the settings page proper. So on this page, next step is to scroll down until you can see the option mobile signature. Alright, mobile signature. So click on that and then go ahead and add your signature. Alright, if you have a signature ready, just go ahead and add your signature in the text box and then click OK, and then just like that your signature has been added, and you can always use this whenever you want to add it to an email that you want to send out. So this is how you can add the signature on Gmail. Thank you for watching and have a good day.